Yeah, I'm sure like half the country I've come down with the flu, and I'm just now actually starting to feel better. Last filming I did, I was actually like, that was like the beginning stages, and I was looking at that video, I was like, dang, I held up pretty well because the way I felt like straight garbage. In the efforts of that, I'm going to be sharing what I've been drinking so I can overcome this. I haven't been taking any medication. I did once. I took this thing that my mom wanted me to take. I took teaspoons of it, and then that was pretty much it after that. Everything else I've been drinking, it's been a concoction of turmeric and cayenne pepper, and of course rubbing all natural Vicks on my body. So, and I found when I was like at Target, it's a baby formula. So instead of petroleum and stuff like that, it's like eucalyptus, beeswax. It's like the natural version. I figure if I'm sick, I don't need to be adding anything else on my body that I don't need. So, but I know Vicks does work. So sorry, back to the drink. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to stay focused in this video. I ain't even gonna lie. But this one I made is almond milk with, it's like a tablespoon of cocoa powder, about a teaspoon, a little less, maybe about 3/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and I put in 3 tablets of turmeric in this. So yeah, and then of course I heated it up in the microwave, and I put some sprinkles of nutmeg. I almost forgot that. And I'm telling you, like, you honestly, you can't even tell the difference, but it does open you up. So if you're congested, your head hurts because of all the pressure, and it's probably just waiting for that mucus to just come running down, make you a concoction with some cayenne pepper. Anything beats being sick and popping a whole bunch of meds that's gonna throw my whole system off. So yeah. All right, so let's get into this video. I want to do something fun and colorful, and the only reason I'm doing colorful stuff, y'all, one, you don't ever really see me doing a whole lot of it. I tried getting into it before when I first started my channel. Yeah, about the second year, going to the second year, I tried to get it a little bit colorful, and then I found out about the parabens, and I had to like get rid of a whole bunch of palettes, so it kind of really pissed me off. Yeah, so so I think I'm just now having another collection that really is colorful with this palette here, the Jaclyn Hill palette, and now I'm like, okay, you know what, let me try it again. But just keep in mind, it's all art, it's all good, it's all fun, right? And I am gonna be getting another moisturizer because it's wintertime and this aloe is not cutting it by itself. So I saw this moisturizer I want to try from, who is it from? Oh, it's from Mineral Fusion. I like the ingredients in it, and it's only $22. I can live with that. So, and I read some pretty good things about it as far as the reviews went, so I definitely want to give it a go. And for lips, I'm going to be using this Dr. Bronner Peppermint Organic Lip Balm. All right, so for lips, I put on the Brandy Wine from Wet n Wild. It's the lip liner. All right, and then if you want to step it up a notch, why not? Oh, and I did put on Dr. Bronner's again. I put it on top of the pencil just to make it look a little bit more moist. You know, to soften up the whole wrinkles and the lip type dry activity. But if you want to step it up a notch, what you could do if you want to do a whole green lip thing, it might not be everybody's cup of tea, but for those that it is, I'm going to be taking that same dark green from this Jaclyn Hill palette and using another brush on top of it. Let's see. This is a nice way to make this dark green, that's for sure. It's trying to pick a way to put this color on. So this is another idea. And then just for a little pop of something, why not? I'm gonna take this color right here that's above the green. Look, I have a mustache on top of my lip. And let's just put a little bit of lip balm on top of it. Better. All right, so that gave it a highlighted look without it looking crazy. And I actually kind of like the little twist it put to the lip color. So yeah, let's gonna roll with it. All right, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Definitely stuff I don't normally use or wear, but it's definitely helped to make me see, hey, I need to step outside my comfort zone more, because you know, it's just kind of fun as art. So maybe not the lips per se, but if you're into that sort of thing, maybe you're going out at night, you can, you know, hey, why not? But the eyes are definitely fun. I probably could have replaced this with the cranberry, just to kind of keep the cranberry theme going on. Because there are some burgundy shades in there, so I could have did like a burgundy or something like that. So that's another thought for another day, doing like a burgundy and a dark green. There's so many fun things that you could do with this look. But anyway, I hope that y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I know I did. I do have some other green colors that I plan on, hopefully I need to go ahead and use. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.